Hello guys, and thank you so much for coming and checking out this video. So in this video I'm going to talk about the front end funnel versus the back end funnel. So my name is Gus. I'm coming to you from Profit. So without further ado, let's just get into it, right? So the type of front end funnel that you want to create, the type of funnel, whatever funnel you want to create, like I said in my other videos, first you got to find out the traffic temperature. You gotta know the people that you're sending to your funnels, right? Are they cold, are they warm, or are they hot? As cold as in they know the problem, they are problem aware. Warm as in they know the problem, they also know what solution they need. And the hot traffic is the people who know the product, they are aware of the product, they are aware of the solution, and they know who you are. Okay, so if you're sending cold traffic to your funnels, right, first you gotta create a front end funnel to create that cold traffic, the people who are only and only problem aware, and turn them into cold traffic. Right, so for example of this, and by the way, be sure to the end of this video, but I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna actually give you a free book that is gonna talk about all of these things in much deeper. Be sure to stay till the end. The book is free. You don't want to miss out on the opportunity. It's one of the greatest book on internet marketing and on all of these online marketing, all of this good stuff. So you don't want to miss that. So first you gotta create a funnel which turns that cold traffic, that cold person that doesn't know who you are, he doesn't know the solution, turn that into firstly a subscriber. Okay, so the type of funnel that you can create for that is, one is called free plus shipping funnel, which you give something away for free, and all you're asking the visitor to do is pay for the shipping. Okay, and the book that I'm gonna give you is exactly the same funnel as and I'm telling you right now, is a free plus shipping. Is a funnel which you can go into, which you get a book for free, but all you gotta do is just pay for the shipping. And if you want to see the example of the free plus shipping funnel, go ahead and click on the link below, and at the same time you can get your free book which you learn more about these things. All right, so also we have the self-liquidating offer funnel, and these funnels that I'm talking about, these funnels are proved to work. So let me just draw you out an example of a free plus shipping funnel, right? So if you look at here, first people, you get traffic coming in from either Facebook or Google ads or YouTube ads or something. You send them in to your opt-in page, and then here you're giving out a book, and then you have an opt-in form, and then you ask for the name, details, home address, and all of that stuff. And below you talk about what the book is, or what your front offer is, and all that stuff. And then from there on you can go and give them an upsell. And then the reason why you're doing this is that first you come here, first you want to know the cold traffic comes in, and then you want to give them something that is low price, low value, which helps them to get their feet wet and get them in through the door. It helps them to get to know who you are and all that stuff. Right, so here you go ahead and offer this free book, and then here you can do upsell, right? And I don't know if you know about upsell or not, but in all the funnels, if you want your funnels to be profitable and if you want to make money from your ads, you have to have upsells. And when you do that, you can spend more money on ads. And in this game of internet marketing, whoever can spend more money on ads, whoever can spend more money to acquire one customer, whoever can spend more more money to acquire one customer and still be profitable is who wins the game. And the only way you can do that is by creating upsells, one-time offer, and all that stuff. And if you don't know about how you can do all of these things, and you can either go ahead and watch my you can go ahead and watch my other videos, or you can either get that book, which I got the link below. You can also get that book. Alright, so you got upsells here, which obviously you're giving more product away. You're giving a upsell to this. And one thing about upsell in your funnels, the upsell, you got to be something that is related to this, but is the next step to this. So for example, like the book, for example, this book, okay, that I'm gonna give you. The reason you want to get this book, because you wanna hit your business goals, right? You wanna be a successful internet marketer. You wanna make money. You wanna make passive income. You wanna make hopefully a lot of money. The people the people who come in this business is the people who want to make a lot of money, and so that's your goal. Your goal is to make a lot of money, giving value, reaching out to a hell of a lot of people from the internet and all that good stuff. So why is the reason you want to buy this book? Why is that book interesting you? The reason is that because you want to make money, right? So once you get that book, okay, and you'll see example of that when you go to this funnel, right? This funnel is $1 million funnel. It's from Russell Brunson, and this is actually one of the funnels that I do affiliate marketing for, because it's a very highly valuable funnel, and I feel proud promoting it. So why is he gonna upsell you? He's gonna upsell you something that is gonna help you even further to reach your financial, your business goals in internet marketing. Okay? So once you buy that, he's gonna give you something here that you probably need with this book. All right. So you wanna go ahead and check that out. And then he has another upsell. He has something else that he gives you that you're gonna need to help you to enhance your chance of reaching your goal even faster. Okay, so that's the example of a front-end funnel. He brings in traffic. From there, you give them something free plus shipping, and then you upsell, and then you upsell again. So once people come into your front-end funnel and they go through this process, the next step in this business model, what happens is that they will receive emails. All right, but before we cover that, let's talk about the traffic that you don't control. So we have two types of traffic. We have three types actually. You have the traffic that you own, the traffic that you control, and the traffic that you don't control. Okay, so let's say traffic comes in, they either go to your opt-in page, or if let's say you have a blog, they will go to your blog, right? And in all your blogs, the traffic that comes to your blogs, that comes from Google SEO, these are the things you don't control. These are the people who just search for you, might have heard from you, some other videos or some other sources that come here. And what you want to do, you always want to have an opt-in here, which you get the details, and from there you want to send them somewhere, right? You want to get the information at the top of your blog. You always want to turn the traffic you don't control to traffic you own. And in the other videos and in the book I'm giving you is gonna talk more about the three types of traffic. We're not gonna get any time to get into in this video. So what you do, the traffic comes in either your opt-in page or your blog, and you want to push all the traffic that comes in, and you want to turn them into traffic that you own, right? And once people opt in from here or from here, what you want to do is that you want to send them to one of your offers, okay, one of your product, and from there it could be your free plus shipping product funnel that I just gave you example of on this one, or it could be some other funnel, something that it should be something front-end funnel, something that you just want to identify the buyers, who are the subscribers, who are the buyers in heat, and all that stuff, right? So you send people to your first offer. Okay, that's what you do. You want to turn the traffic that you don't control, you want to turn them to traffic that you own, and from there straight away you send them to one of your offers. Okay, that's one of the things you do, right? So and also the traffic that comes from ads, I explained that before, you also want to send them. They come to your opt-in page, you get the details, and from there again you send them to your first front-end funnel. Okay, and just keep all of this is going to become clear. Okay, so once you did that, once you got traffic coming in, okay, either your opt-in page or your blog. So this is your blog. You always want to have a box on the top that gets people to opt in to your email list. All right, so once that happens, you send these people to your first initial front-end funnel. That's the first thing you do. Okay, and after that, after you send them to your first offer, okay, and after you did that, you're gonna have other funnels in place. So you're gonna have other back-end funnels where you're selling more of your product, more of the high-end, more expensive one, more that is more value inside that you want to send them from your first offer to there. Okay, but here you want to first identify the buyers. Okay, so how are you gonna send them there? So once people opt in, where they're gonna go to the email list. Okay, so from the first, as people opt in, first you send them email, you talk about yourself and who you are and what you do, and there's a way you can do that. You can build a deep relationship with people, and there's a sequence that they're going to talk about in the book. It's called a soap opera sequence. Okay, and this sequence is like basically soap operas is talking to them in an emotional triggering way, which builds a long-term relationship with them. You share them your story, who you are, what you've done, and you can use it in any type of market you're in, who you are, what got you to where you are, where were you before, what kind of epiphany you had, and all that stuff. So it's a 4 email sequence. So when people opt into your to your list, you send them emails. Okay, and after these 4 emails, then you send them regular emails. It could be daily, it could be once a week, or daily. I recommend it's better. The more emails you send, the more money you'll make. And then from your emails, okay, so once people opted in here, you send them regular emails. From after the opt-in, you send them to your first offer. Okay, the first offer, this will identify buyers. Then you send them email. Then from there on, you can send them to any of your other funnels that you have created, which sells more of your services, or your one-to-one coaching, or your high-end product, or your seminars, or whatever it is you want to sell. From emails, once you got them in your email list, then from there you can do anything. You can send them to any website. You can keep on promoting more products. And there's a concept, it's called the daily emails. There's a concept, it's called the value ladder. Okay, so what the value ladder is, let me just draw out to you, is that people come in, you send them to your first funnel right here, which is maybe you have a book, maybe you have some kind of front-end physical product, or whatever it is you sell them here. Okay, so and then once you did that, you got them to your email. Okay, then you promote your other funnels to them. Okay, and then you get them here, more funnels, and promoting to them more stuff. And you can have a maybe continuity program right here where you offer them more product and you make more money. And all of this will become clear soon. You gotta either watch my other videos where we're gonna maybe dig deeper, or if you wanna learn more, if you wanna learn all of this quickly, go ahead and get the book, which I'll put the link below. There's no catch, the book is absolutely free, and also you get to see a live funnel, that which is $1 million funnel at work. You can see it live, and how all of these things work, and how the free plus shipping work. Okay, so go ahead and get your free book. I'll put the link right below. And also as a bonus, I'm gonna give you this Top Business Strategy. This is one of the books that I wrote, and what it's gonna do with when you get the copy of this book, the .com secrets, where you're gonna talk about the principles of this business. This is gonna talk more, going to the technical side of things. I'm gonna send this book to your email as a bonus as you get this book. Okay, so this book is highly valuable, and I highly recommend you actually get yourself a copy of this and read it many times. Dig deep into it, because if you read that book and you implement this strategy, you will become successful in this business. Okay, so I want to thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, if you have any, go ahead and subscribe. I'm going to make more videos like this with better presentation, with better quality, and we're going to delve into more deep subject into how you can become successful in this business, in internet marketing. Sell your product and services, information product, physical products, whatever you want to sell, supplements. We can use funnels and internet marketing to sell these products. So go ahead and subscribe to this channel. If you have any question regarding anything you heard, anything you learned, if something is not clicking in your head, go ahead and comment below, and I'm doing my best to answer it for you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and take care for now.